Good day, everyone. So today we're going to discuss lesson number 4. But before that, let's have a review or recap on lesson number 3. All right. So let's highlight the rulings in terms of transcription of salutations and closing. So as we all know that salutations is the bating panimula and the closing is the bating pangwakas. All right. So we have three rules in terms of should I say transcribing salutations and two rules no in terms of transcribing the closing. So let's proceed first with the salutation. So as we all know, we have this abbreviation titles such as Mr., Mrs., Miss, Doctor. All right. So as you could see here, no, since these are abbreviations or titles, no, it is an abbreviation. So you are just simply going to capitalize the first letter and followed by a small letter R or the small cap for that specific titles, and then followed by a period. And then at the same time, if ever that you're going to um uh put a personal name on it, no, you should put one space no before the name. So let's say for instance, Mr. and then you have to put space and then Robert. All right. So do not forget to capitalize the first letter followed by a small period, small letter, then followed by a period, then the space, and then at the same time the name Robert. All right. Now, but let's say for instance we have the salutation dear job. Dear job. It needs a sign of capitalization because that is a proper noun. So if this case, no, in this case, just simply capitalize the salutation followed by the name, job, and then of course don't forget the colon. No, if we are referring to a closed punctuation. All right. Now, let's have another one. So let's say, for an instance, we have dear Mr. Hold on. I'll just dear Mr. Day. Let me zoom in it in. Now, this dear Mr. Day. So if ever that you're going to transcribe it, then you just simply capitalize the salutation followed by a capital M and then small letter R followed by a period, no, and then again space, then the name of the person followed by a colon. So dear Mr. J. All right. So as you could see, hindi ko na nilagyan ng sign of capitalization because that is one of our ruling for the ease of writing. Okay. And then let's proceed with the complementary closing. Okay. So first thing first, you have to capitalize the first word in the complementary closing. And then at the same time, you have to put a comma or followed it by a comma. So let's say for instance, we have the cordially yours, K-U. So when you're going to transcribe it, it's just like this, capital C followed by the small letter O, and then etc. plus the yours should be in small letter and followed by a comma. Same with the very plural yours, BTU. All right. We have the capital B followed by small letter E, RY, small letter T, RULY, and then yours followed by a comma. Those are the things that you need to remember no when you are transcribing the salutation and closing into longhand transcription. All right. Now let us proceed with the lesson proper. So let me read the learning outcomes of this specific topic. So you have to articulate the symbols for the sounds of erd, eld, ant, and amd, and empty. Let me correct this one. Then you are going to articulate the sounds for the word endings meant and ball, and then another set of brief forms and phrases will be introduced, and then at the same time, what on how to differentiate between are and our, to, and to. All right. Then let us proceed. Let me change my pen. Okay. The sounds of erd, no, such as for example assured, no, it is represented by the R symbol, but at the end of it, you have to curl. All right, you have to curl it or curl it up, such as like this. All right, R or erd, R symbol. Then there is a curl, okay, at the end of the R symbol. And then the L symbol, of course, it is represented by the L symbol with a curl at the top, or at the tip rather, of the L symbol that represent the eld, or the sounds of eld. How about the ent? No, it is a blended N plus T. Now, as you can see, it's supposed to be N plus T, N plus T. But for the ease of writing, we're going to remove the angle for the ease of writing, and then it should be written with a short undercurve, just like this. And all right, same with and. It is a blended and plus T symbol. So same with that, and then end. How about the sounds of MD or empty or the empt, such as for example claim or claimed? So it is a combination or a blended M plus the symbols. Supposedly, it should be written like this: M plus D, M plus D. Again, same principle. For the ease of writing, we are going to write it in a long undercurve, as simple as this. All right. So let's try it on. I hope that you are all following. Let's have the word answered. Okay, we have the N S E erd answered. Again, let me write it again. N S E erd answered. Appeared. We have the P E erd appeared. P E erd appeared. How about the word board? B O erd board. B O erd board. Again, a gentle reminder, the erd symbol is represented by the R symbol with a curl at the end of it. So dapat hindi kayo mako-confuse with the R symbol, okay? Because it may misrepresent, or you may misrepresent it with another symbol. All right. So let's have the word prepared. We have the P-R-E-P-A erd for prepared. Let me write it again. P-R-E-P-A erd prepared. All right. Again, let's move on with the word build or build. It is represented by a B-E and then eld symbol. B-E eld symbol again. The eld, the sounds of eld is represented by an L symbol with a curl at the end of it. All right. Let me write the word cold. We have the K-O-L cold. K-O-L cold. Okay. So let's have the word failed. We have F-A-L failed. F-A-L failed. Let's have another word canceled. K-A-N-S-E-L canceled. Let me write it again. K-A-N-S-E-L for the word canceled. All right. Now, let's proceed with the sounds of and. No? Let's have the word account. So how are we going to write it? We have the k, ow symbol and then the ant for account. A, k, ow, ant for account. How about the word agent? We have the A, J, and ant symbol. A, J, and ant symbol for agent. We have the word into and u into. Hold on. Let me write it again. And u for into and u for into. All right. Let's have the word assigned. A s broken circle or I and assigned. A s broken circle and then and as in assigned. All right. Let's have the word happened. We have the H represent with the dot. P E and for happened. H P E and for happened. All right, let me write it again, class, to make it clear. P E and P E and for happened. Okay, let's have the word kindly. We have K broken circle and then Lee, the word ending Lee, no? K broken circle and then end and then the word ending Lee. Now let's move on with the word or the sounds of emd and empt, no? Again, let's proceed with the word claimed. We have the KLAMD for claimed. Medyo mas malaki to ha. KLAMD for claimed. All right. Let's move on with the word confirmed. Okay. We have the word beginning con and then FER and then AMD for confirmed. Con, FER and then AMD for confirmed. All right. Let's have the word informed. Of course, we have the in and the sounds of for, MD for informed, in for, MD for informed. All right. I hope that you are all following. Now, let's proceed with the word ending meant and able. So as you all know that the word ending meant is represented by an M symbol. So it is a joined one. So let's say for instance, adjustment. Let's have the word ending able. So the word ending able is represented by a B, of course. So let's say for instance, available. We have VAL and then able for available. All right, let's try it on. Let's have the word adjustment. We have the adjust, then meant for adjustment. Again, adjust for adjustment. All right, let's have advertisement or advertisement. We have the advertis, then meant. So that is the left S for advertisement. Let me write it again. V or advertis for advertisement. Let's have the word appointment. Appointment for appointment. Appointment for appointment. I hope that you are all following because this is just a review. Let's proceed with the word ending ball. Let's have the word available. VAL ball for available. VAL for available. How about the word capable? We have KAP ball for capable. KAP ball for capable. Last one, we have the word eligible. So it is E-L-E-J, then the word ending ball, E-L-E-J, and the word ending ball. All right, so far, I hope that you are all following. You have to practice at your home. All right, let's have the brief forms and phrases. Okay, so let me start with the four. So it's represented by the F symbol for inform, in, for M, for inform, in, for M, for inform. From is just the F and M symbol, generally, or general rather, Jen, Jen, generally, Jen, Lee, for generally, Jen, Lee, for generally. Of course, gentlemen, this is a plural form. So we have the J and then the man-min symbol. J, the man-min symbol. And then the glad is just simply the gay and L. Gay and L. All right, good. It's just simply a gay symbol. And then how about the idea? We have the ADE for idea. ADE for idea. Medyo malaki yun. ADE for idea. And then however, we have the ow symbol plus the V symbol. Ow, then V symbol for however. Now, let's move on with the phrases. We have the can be. We have the KB for can be. KB for can be, can have, can. And then the we have the V as in victory, can, then V as in can be. Can you? Can, K, U, can you? K, U, can you? Cannot be, can, not, and then B, or the K and B. K and B for cannot be. Cannot have, K, and then have for the V victory. K, and then V for cannot have. For the F and the da symbol, or the overeat, F and the overeat for the. For this, we have the F and this symbol, F and this symbol. All right. Let's have from the, we have the F, M, and the D symbol, F, M, and then the D symbol. I am. So again, this is a personal pronoun. So most probably, whether it is written at the beginning, at the end, or at the middle and at the end of the sentence, it is always written in capitalized. No, or you have to capitalize it. So I am is just simply A and M for I am. I can. I'll write it again. I can for I can. Then let's have I cannot. We have the cannot. I cannot. Can not for I cannot. All right. I hope that you are all following. Now, let me emphasize the difference between are and our. Let us focus on the communication skill builder. All right. Now, we have the words are, our. So as you all know that are, such as, or it's spelled out in ARE, it is the plural of is, and then our, no, spelled out as OUR, it means that it is belonging to us. Okay, so let's say for an instance, what is the difference between the two? We have this, for example, we have the secretaries are meeting in the room. Okay. How about the hour? We have changed our company. So belonging to us. So that company is belonging to them. Our company policy, vacation, time. All right. So let's proceed with the difference between the two, which is toward, to, which is excessive or also, to, which is a number. All right. Okay, let's have here the word to, or the TO, spelled as TO. TO are your members going to a conference. So transfer from one place to another. Okay, let's have the word to, T-O-O. The commitment is too important. So excessive. Then last but not the least, we have we should appoint 2 members. So we're talking about here a number to attend. So far, those are the communication builder that needs or that you need to remember. All right. So there are actually other similar words or similar sounded words, no, that has different meaning or that have different meaning. So far, you have to review on it. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you again on the next lesson.